Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a color swatch of the Pentel Touch Brush Pens, and they come in 12 colors. I ordered these on Amazon, and I just think overall that they're really great for beginners or for anybody that has a preference for smaller lettering. I'm a person that naturally writes smaller, and so I really love these pens. So if you're in that same boat, I think these will be great. And also, I think this is good for beginners because if you're having a little bit of difficulty with the larger brush pens and having a hard time controlling the flexible tips, I think these are great because it's a little bit stiffer, but still a smooth brush pen that's easy to control. And so when looking at these swatches of colors, I hope that you guys notice just how pigmented and saturated the colors are. It's just really easy to use, and the ink flow that comes out of it is really great, so you get these really dark and vibrant colors. And I also like that it comes in a pretty good variety of colors. It has your primary colors and then some other basic colors, but overall a pretty good selection. But I would like if they had a little bit more variation or hues of pinks and purples, or even added some sort of like mint color or a dark teal or a light teal. And I guess the array of colors that I really like and enjoy are similar to that of the Tombow Galaxy pack. And so if they can add a set that has those colors, I think it'd be really awesome. But overall, I think this is a pretty good variety of colors and just a really good small brush tip for beginners overall. And I actually do prefer these Pentel brush pens over the Tombow food pens. They're like the smaller food pens, and they come in a soft tip and a hard tip, and I just think these ones are easier to control and actually last longer for me, where the Tombow food pen for me starts to bend. I think maybe I'm just not using it properly, or I'm just too hard when I push down, but it ends up bending to where I have to use it in a particular angle every time moving forward. So I don't know if that happens to anybody else, but here are the wonderful other colors. I think what I have left is this light blue, so I'm happy that you get a light blue and a dark blue. And then after I swatched the black color, I realized I forgot to swatch the final color, which is a dark green. And so you'll see that in the final copy. So I hope you enjoyed.